Master the fundamentals of ISO 45001:2018 with our comprehensive e-workshop. Build an effective occupational health and safety management system from wherever you are. Learn through expert-led sessions, interactive content, and practical resources tailored to ISO 45001 principles. This e-workshop equips you with tools and templates designed for real-world application. Access exclusive templates, procedures, and policies to streamline OHSMS implementation. These resources are customizable to fit your organization's needs. Prepare with scenario-based mock exams and get instant feedback to track your progress and solidify your understanding of ISO 45001. Upon completion, earn a globally recognized ISO 45001 certified internal auditor certificate, demonstrating your expertise and enhancing your professional credibility. Why join this e-workshop? Expert guidance from Dr. Mohamed-Ali Ibrahim. Actionable resources for immediate implementation. Interactive learning tailored to real-world scenarios. Join the ISO 45001:2018 e-workshop today. Gain practical insights and tools to lead effective safety initiatives and prepare for certification. Visit academy.iqc-vienna.com to enroll now.